Now, children, let us see how collective nouns are used in sentences. Let us read the instruction first. Underline the collective nouns in the given sentences. I bought a loaf of bread from the market. Here, a loaf of bread is the collective noun used. A mass of baked bread before it is sliced is called a loaf of bread. What we get from the market in a packet is the slices of bread. Okay, let's move on. The class of students listened attentively. Children, when we all go to school and you all wear your uniform and sit in one class on your benches together, this group of students is called a class of students. And I am sure my class of students out there is listening to me attentively. Are you all doing that? Very good. Let's move on. I saw a school of fish swimming in the lake. So when you peep into the water of a river, a lake or a pond and see many fishes swimming together in a group, that is known as a school of fish. Let's move on. There is a colony of ants crawling up the trunk. Crawling up the tree trunk. Children, you must have seen many ants crawling in a line, one behind the other, in a very disciplined way, on the ground or even in your house, isn't it? This line of ants crawling one behind the other is called a colony of ants. So many ants together are called a colony of ants. Next, a pride of lions hungrily looked at the deer. When a group of lions moves or sits together in the forest, that group of lions is called a pride of lions. This is a collective noun. Now let's see the next example. We bought a bunch of grapes and some oranges. So when we go to the fruit market, don't we see many fruits over there? Like oranges, a bunch of bananas, bunches of grapes. So here a bunch of grapes is the collective noun, so it has been underlined. Let's move on. A fleet of ships sailed over the sea. So when many ships float on the sea water together in a group, that is called a fleet of ships. This is a collective noun which has been underlined here. Next, the tiger attacked a flock of sheep. We all know that the wild tigers are always after sheep, and many sheep together are called a flock of sheep. Let's move on. The army of soldiers fought bravely. Let's read this sentence once again. The army of soldiers fought bravely. Children, we all are aware that the brave soldiers fight for us, for our country, and that is why we are all safe in our homes. So, let us salute the army of soldiers. Yes, this is again a collective noun which has been underlined over here. Children, after reading these sentences once again, I want all of you to write them down in your classwork notebook very neatly. Yes? Thank you, children. Bye-bye. See you soon.